Hi everyone, my name is Brittany Hayles and I am a career coach that helps you go after what you want with confidence. As someone who used to look at hundreds of resumes on a weekly basis for candidates at Google, I can confirm that there are three major things that recruiters look for when they're deciding on whether to call you back or press decline. So in today's video, I'm gonna be walking you through what those three things are so that you can add them to your resume today. Before we even get started here, if you're on a career journey and you're really trying to up-level your career, this is the channel for you. So click that subscribe button so you can know every time I post a new video. Let's get started. So reason number one is that the job title you're applying for is not on your resume. So we hear this thing called transferable skills all the time. It's a buzzword and I get it. But at a large company, that whole transferable skills thing, it's not flying. It's not. Unless you are directly handing your resume to a manager or directly handing your resume to the person hiring for that position, which is more than likely not happening, a recruiter does not have time to look for transferable skills. They want to see that job title. So for example, if you're applying for a job to be an event producer and you're currently a marketing assistant and you and thousands of other people are applying for that same job and only 10 of those people have event producer on their resume, how many people do you think are going to get a call back? 10. You said it, 10. Because although you're a marketing assistant and there are so many transferable skills between that position and an event producer, as a recruiter at a large company who's looking at hundreds of resumes on a daily basis, I cannot read between the lines. So make their job easy by including the job title, which clearly states that you have experience either previously or currently in what they're looking for. I have a video on my channel titled Resume That Got Me Into Google, and I show you exactly how you can finesse the job title and where to put the job title, because let me tell you something, y'all are making it so much harder for yourselves, because yes, transferable skills are very important to display, but a lot of times at a large company, it's just not gonna hold its weight. So please get straight to the point and make it clear that you had or have that job title that you're applying for. Reason number two is that you do not meet the minimum qualifications on the job description. I hear people say it all the time, and I agree to it to some extent, that you should be applying to jobs that are asking for more than what you currently have. However, if you're going to do that, then you need to make it clear on your resume that you are qualified for it. If not, again, you will probably risk the chance of being rejected over and over and over again. Make it clear that you have 5 years of experience in software engineering. Make it clear that you have a master's in psychology. Make it clear that you can program in C++. So if the job description said you need 10 years of experience to be head of education, you need to be able to make PowerPoint presentations in order to work in marketing at this company, and you don't have those things listed on your resume, guess what? There's a great chance it's not happening. The job said it wanted 7 years, and on your resume, it is very clear that you only have 3. And you could very well have 7. Include your internship experience, include any type of certificates that you, like if it took you a year to get a certificate, include that. Make it very clear that you have the qualifications. So if you are going to apply to those jobs, and let's just say you are applying to jobs that are within the qualification that you actually have, make sure that it's listed. And the final reason is that your resume is just simply really hard to read. A simple black and white resume with a simple format, with a simple font is the best and will get you 6-figure, possibly even 7-figure jobs. Please get straight to the point. Make it digestible, make it easy to read. And if you're having trouble with figuring out what's the best format, I literally have a resume template right here. And also I'll link it down below where you can purchase it. And all you have to do is just take your own information and put your info into the resume template and you're good to go. It is the same resume that has gotten me into Google and countless of other job opportunities as well. So please use it, take it, to your advantage. And the reason why I don't recommend long resumes is because it confirms that you're not being concise. It confirms that you're not getting straight to the point. It confirms that you are not highlighting the most phenomenal parts of your career and how you made impact. It just shows that you threw everything up there and you're hoping for the best. Please get straight to the point. Keep that resume to one page. If you gotta go on to the second page, let the second page be extremely digestible, where it's like all your certificates, all your awards, your speaking engagements, just like very easy to digest information. Another thing, nobody's reading a resume that is lime green with blue background. Like all the colors that a lot of these resumes have going on, it's not readable. No one's reading it. And it's not even because they don't want to, they literally cannot. Please stop using fonts that are colors that are hard to read. And while we're at it, let's talk about the fonts. The cursive script, majority of people are not even learning how to read in cursive anymore, so they literally cannot read it. And then the other thing, if your font is too small, we cannot, assume that everyone has 20/20 vision or the ability to zoom in. So make sure that font is no smaller than 9.5. Thank you all so much again for watching. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, I offer so many resume services, resume writing, editing, all of that stuff. So if you need help with updating your resume, you're like, I have no idea where to start, I got you. You can email me at info@haylesconsulting.com or use a link down in the description to learn more about the services that I offer. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.